What's up guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the G. Thank you so much for the love, the support, and yeah, the journey so far. We are still pushing and trying. So today I'll be helping you to pack for Germany, because or for any country, literally, when you have to move from your home country to another country to study or I don't know, work, then there's like certain things you should know. But particularly for Germany, I'll be helping you guys pack today. So grab your box, grab your stuff, and let's pack. As I said, we are packing today, so this is just going to be fun and chill. I just want you to make good use of the 23 kilograms. Like, you have 23 kilograms, 2 boxes, so that's what, 23 plus 2, 46. My math is horrible. So I want you to make good use of your 46 kilograms, because it is sometimes it can just go like that and you find that you have not packed anything useful. So but we're going to start with the most important thing. Pack all your documents, and when I say all your documents, I mean even your first school leaving certificate, what you got, like your baptism card, everything. Pack all your documents, guys, and make a photocopy of all these documents, because it will be helpful for you here when, for example, you might need the document somewhere in some office, and sometimes before you get used to the place, you know, you don't know where to photocopy and stuff like that. So it's important to pack your documents in the file and have 2 other files where you pack the photocopies of each of the documents. Very important, guys. Don't forget, that's the first thing you should have in your box. Second thing, guys, that you should pack, which might sound strange, before leaving your country, take some passport pictures and pack them alongside with your documents. Why is this important? Because you might go to some offices, and sometimes even at school they ask for your passport size photo just to make your student ID. So it's important to have your have passport size photographs, because here actually you can take passport size photographs, but you will not be used to the town, you will not be used to anything, you will not know where to go. Normally you should go to DM to take like a passport size photograph, or you have this like self-scanning thingies where you can just go and you follow the instructions and you take the pictures yourself. But it's not that easy when it's your first time ever using it, and maybe you don't know German, you don't want to go to DM to start struggling to explain or know or this or try to locate where a DM is in your locality. So just pack at least 8 passport size photographs with a white background. That's very important, at least that's universal, and yeah, and you'll be good to go. So the third thing you should pack is weather appropriate clothes. This will depend on whether you're coming in for the summer semester or the winter semester. If you're coming in the winter semester, don't waste your time packing summer clothes. Don't waste your time packing chill, light, you know, relaxing clothes. Pack clothes that are going to keep you warm, because the truth is before the summer comes along, you would have bought some new clothes. So don't fill your box with I don't know, light clothes like something like this. No, fill your box with warmer clothes. They might be a little bit heavier, but it will help you out because you don't want to come and freeze. And if you're coming in the summer semester, then you can pack chill clothes and lighter things and short jeans and stuff like that. And yeah, when the winter is coming along, get new clothes. So, and about the weather appropriate clothes, guys, please don't bother yourself. Like, for example, if you're coming in the winter, don't bother yourself to buy like a winter coat there. It's better to come and buy a winter coat here, because the cold you're feeling back home, depending on where you're coming from, especially if you're coming from Africa where you have hotter climates. The cold you're feeling back home is not as it's not even a third of what you feel during the winter. So it's better to come here and buy your winter coat. Just buy like a pullover and a jacket, something that can keep you warm too when you come here and you buy like a winter coat. And the truth is, if you're coming in the winter semester, you'll be coming in the fall, in September, where it's not yet that cold. So it's, yeah, pack with the appropriate clothes. Also pack sneakers, one pair of sneakers. It's okay, because when you come here you could get more shoes, but don't waste your time packing so many shoes, guys. A pair of sneakers or a pair of like just flats, yeah, you pack those and you're good to go. Some t-shirts and some warm jackets if in case you're coming in the winter, and yeah, you're good to go. Another thing you shouldn't forget to pack is your vaccination card. So this is important because you cannot even leave your country without a vaccination card. So obviously you shouldn't forget your vaccination card. This should be even part of your documents. So because I think for most people, I don't know whether the only people coming from tropical areas, but we have to take the yellow fever vaccine. And if you've already taken it, because it's a once in a lifetime thing, if you've already taken it, then you just have to have it with you. You just have to have the card with you, and yeah, you're good to go. Don't forget your vaccination card, guys. And if you have like the history of your vaccinations, bring them along. It will also be helpful maybe when you start visiting the doctor and they're trying to figure out what vaccines you've taken and what vaccines you've not taken. So pack your vaccination. Okay, because I'm a foodie, I could not forget to tell you guys this. Pack your favorite snack. And when I say your favorite snacks, I mean your favorite local snacks, like what the best things you like in your country, which you might not find here. And sometimes you find them, but they're very expensive. So like me, for example, I love plantain chips. Pack your plantain chips. I love what we call ching ching. I don't know how they call it in I don't know, croquette. I don't know how to call it in another language. That's the English word. Ching ching. You pack your ching ching, pack your favorite snacks, dry snacks, because you probably not meet them here. You probably not have the opportunity to have them here. If you're like me, that maybe you bake or you fry, and you can do that on your own, like things like, for example, the ching ching, you can do it yourself when you're here, but no need to fill your box with that, right? But if you don't know anything about baking, you don't know anything about frying and stuff, pack your favorite snacks. You will, guys, this is just like when you're going to a boarding school. For those of you that have gone to a boarding school, it's like you want to pack most of those things that you packed to go to a boarding school, because when you come, you're going to miss those things and you're going to be homesick. Some of those things will just remind you of home, and it would like be, it's like comfort food, right? So yeah, so pack your favorite snacks from. Oh, another important thing, I don't know why I did not mention this way earlier, but pack your laptop, guys. Pack a laptop. I don't think it's advisable to come and buy a laptop here, except if you have somebody here already or that can support you with that. But I will advise you to buy your laptop right from home. There are many reasons why I'm advising you to do this. One, it's a little bit cheaper and it's still going to be good quality. And two, when you come, you don't know where to get a laptop. Yes, you can order online, but you just want to have everything settled. You don't want to be thinking about, where do I get a laptop? How do I get a laptop? Maybe I don't even have an address. How do I order the laptop? Where does it come? You know, stuff like that. You just want to be chill. You want to come and settle in real quickly. So pack your laptop and any other important thing that you think will be necessary for you when it comes to your academics. I even packed some pens. That was useless, but yeah, pack even 2 or 3 or a pack of pens. Just put in your hand luggage, and a pack of like pencils, just stuff that you cannot get the first days or the first weeks you're here, just so that you settle in real quickly and with no stress. So yeah, that's the goal. So pack your laptop. And for the last thing in this category of things you should pack, this is for my African people, for my black people. Our skin needs more like oil, at least for me. I know that's true. And in back home we used to have like glycerin. I don't know whether it's the same thing with baby oil, but something of that sort. And yeah, here you will not find that. You will not find glycerin. You'll find it in the African shops or stuff like that, but you will not know where the African shop is. Maybe you're even going to a town where African shops don't exist, because sometimes they don't exist, right? So you want to pack some glycerin. I mean, especially if you're coming in the fall. Like when winter hits, guys, your skin gets dry and cracky and white and stuff like that. So better pack your glycerin, and maybe with time you'll figure out where to get glycerin here, because I figured out something to use in DM. I'll look for the picture of that thing and maybe I'll put it up somewhere here on the screen. And that was really helpful for me because I never had glycerin. And yeah, you want to pack your glycerin, and you want to pack maybe if you have a specific type of body lotion you use at home, you want to pack that. But if you don't have a specific type, if you're like everything goes, then you can leave that out and just pack your glycerin or baby oil, whatever it is. I don't. So guys, those were the things I think are important, at least for me, that were important. Obviously there's still so much more, but those are the things I thought were important for me to pack, and some of them I forgot when I was coming. And yeah, it was not so much fun. So in just to give you an idea, I just want to tell you some few things you shouldn't bother yourself packing. Things like large appliances, for example, don't bother yourself to pack something like a hand dryer or something like that for your hair. Don't bother yourself about that, because it's easy to come and get a hand dryer here. You also, maybe what's the thing, the electrical, the watts or whatever might not match with what is being used in Germany. So you can check if you want before coming or before buying your stuff, but it's not worth it. Another thing, I know I said you should pack weather appropriate clothes, but as I made it clear, don't pack too many clothes. Don't pack clothes that will not be needed for that weather. And don't pack high heels, guys. You will not even wear it. Like, come with a pair of sneakers. Just to emphasize that point, don't pack high heels. It is not necessary, it's not needed. You will not use it, not in this guys. If I show you I have so many high heels, but yeah, I did not pack them when I was coming. I bought them while here, but I hardly ever wear them, guys. You want to run to catch the bus, you can run with some high heels. When you start driving, maybe it makes it easier, you know, but you're always like up and down. So don't pack high heels. Even your fancy clothes, leave them back home. Maybe you want to bring some few African clothes, like, oh yeah, once in a while, but your fancy clothes, leave them back home. You come and get clothes here, because the truth is that those things you bring the first few months, you will not use it. You will barely ever use it. I mean, we used to go to church and wear sometimes, but guys, you know what I mean. Don't bother yourself. So yeah, I spoke about bringing the glycerins and all of that, but don't also bring body lotion. Body lotion is not very important, except if you have like a specific type of body lotion you use. You could come here and get most of those things: body lotion, soaps, face lotions, serums and stuff like that. Sometimes they're a little bit more expensive, but just get used to, because you're coming here to stay long term, so you might as well just get used to that. That's the price and that's the standard of living. And you buy your stuff here. You don't want to fill your boxes with stuff like that. Trust me, you don't pack perishables, guys. It will not even pass through immigration, because they are going to check. Sometimes they don't check, sometimes they just let it slide, but the truth is most of the times they check, and if they see perishables, you are going to pay a fine and it's going to be thrown away. So you're going to lose your money and still pay additional money on that. So it's not worth it. Don't pack perishables. If you want to bring like stuff from American ships, it's better if they are dry or stuff like that, but check the airline websites or the German websites, they tell you what is allowed and what is not allowed, and follow those rules to the letter, because it will not be worth it. You pay a fine and you will lose your stuff. Just talking about that, just remember my cousin had told me there was a woman that traveled with the skin, cow skin, and her colleagues came and showed her like, hey, we saw this woman from your country was traveling, and she was stopped, and it was like 10 pounds of cow skin. I'm like, what the hell are you doing with 10 pounds of cow skin? And what we call kanda for those from Cameroon. So yeah, don't travel with kanda. It's not worth it. So yes guys, I think that's it for me. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for liking my content. Once again, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. That is very important, so you are notified each time I post a new video. And yes guys, see you in my next video. Bye.